Pero yung dinayo namin dito is Fengcha Night Market. We're waiting for the others. Yun pa. 4 minus 13. 9 others. Oh, dito rin sila baba. Dito tayo ng drop off point. See ya. So let's taste this Fengcha Night Market. Biggest night market daw to.
Biggest?
Oo, in Taiwan. Sabi ni Kuya Kyle. So we'll see.
You wanted to walk this?
Of course, for experience.
You're never gonna get here at 6:21. You're not gonna get here.
I'm hungry.
No, I just realized.
Wala,
Bilis na
this looks
naman
good.
patakbo ng coach.
Kaya nga. Si Alex nandito si chicken. Ito sila.
五羊无酥炸鸡排只要70元，无超酥子，
Chicken.
还有招牌三角骨、
Unang stall.
深海鱿鱼亮
Hindi yan french fries.
都有。
Parang ano lang kamote. Pikachu. Shell, favorite Pokemon mo. That's right.
Why Pikachu?
So we're here at Fengcha Night Market. Hopefully
Hopefully, it's a success.
Bango.
This one's interesting. Let's try.
Sweet potato. Pero pa sweet potato ball yung last time mo. Hala, mura yung straw. Mura siya, I think. Kaya nga.
I know what a strawberry is.
So, what are your thoughts so far?
There's something to look at. Sorry guys, I'm ruthless. Hindi kasi parang the whole day we were just on
You
a
want to be
train,
healthy.
on an Uber,
Yeah.
on a...
Pwede pa mag-bike date.
It's nice. It's like,
Alam mo,
this what?
fuel lens. Wala si Kuya, binabantayan.
Sa Taiwan pa bumili
What's this? Sarap. Chicken. Ano to? Corn? Naku, si Tita Mape ata kainin niya. Squid. I have squid.
Squid?
Squid.
Parang masarap.
Kaya nga, it looks good.
Parang masarap sa squid.
Naman kayo. Kaya gutom na kami.
Dito mo. Gusto ko kanin. I feel like they're all...
Oh no. How will you know?
I picture mo kami. No, yung picture. Just maybe the picture. Which one do you like?
Oh no!
Na pala guys.
Bakit?
It's a joke.
Okay. Kaya nga, ba't niya sinabi yung 2.5
So, walang pera.
okay. 2.5 yun ano?
Singilan sa tapat ng squid shop.
Oh no.
Ay no, may 500 na, 2,000 na lang.
2,000 na lang. Bayad na.
Okay, should we buy squid? Please. Can I have one?
120, 150. 120 small, 150 big.
Small or big? Small.
Thank you.
120 and 80. Konti lang para makatikim pa ng iba.
Ano pinili mo yun? Ayan yung sa'yo? Ano daw to?
Hindi ko alam. Pero
Parang may mayonnaise.
ano Ang one.
Meron na kami. Ang bumili na lang. Ibang flavor na.
Thank you. Init. Tolerable.
Fried pizza tortilla. Ano, tara? Parang tartar sauce. Ay, hindi ko. Oo. I like that.
Diba? Diba?
I'm gonna buy also.
That's a duh.
Okay.
Isa lang.
Kakainin mo ba while walking?
Yeah.
On to the next one. Ayoko lang beef kasi overrated. Ano to?
Ako rin.
Enoki mushrooms. Mushrooms. Gusto mo? Mushroom. Sige. This one.
Kuya Will. Grabe naman, hindi pa tayo hindi pa tayo nakakalakad na malayo.
Enoki mushrooms. 100.
Yan.
Ay, ba't tayo pinansin? Yan. Thank you.
Hindi Kuya Will, gusto ko naman makita ng iba.
Ah, wala saan natin ito kakainin. Pwede ba tumabi?
Rice.
Todd, Shen, ikaw.
Ah, wait lang.
Ikaw. Try ko.
Ayan.
Balik ka. Harap. Hindi ko na. Parang malaman ko. Ang masarap.
Mm. Puro oil.
Oo nga. Ano siya? Chips. Chips. Pero madami na.
Mm. Kumakain ng chicken feet.
Pwede bang half lang? Ay, hindi.
Ano yan na ano na? Tanggalin na? Ah.
Ano yan?
Oh, sige, lunukin mo na.
Pero
Kung kumain
malamig.
ka nitong corn. O, kain ng corn.
Wala ba maliit lang?
O, kain naman namin.
Ang bakba.
Ano?
Oh no.
Ano kayo nag-pack
Try mo, sir.
Nagulat ako ba't hard?
May buto yan?
Maliit.
Ah, masarap.
Maliit na to. Masarap to.
Sabi maarte ako sa texture.
Ang dapat, smooth.
Hindi, crispy.
Let's go. So, ng drink. Pero masarap.
Ano ito? Ito ah. Ito Alex. Fresh juice.
Baka may iba ba?
Kaya nga, baka tignan ka.
Gusto ko yung sausage ba yung kabalot na kanin?
Wow.
We're trying this. I don't know what kind of...
I'm gonna try this iced tea. Yeah.
Tikman natin ngayon.
Wala lasa. Wait, pwede pa trip.
Malasa.
Why are you not happy? Parang...
What's that? Ah,
Alex, what's him? Ito to, Alex. Ito? Ito?
like to taste the breads. We start. Wala nang difference.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Pero di naman alam ko ano difference.
Ano kaya to?
Teka, dito siya. Kaya ito ba?
English. What is the difference?
Tingnan lang natin. This is cookie.
Cookie?
Okay, cookie egg hot. This is, wait tayo.
Oh.
Egg hot.
Ah.
Yeah, the wing.
This one?
Maso.
Mochi?
Squishy.
Ah.
Ito, puff pastry.
Ay, oo pa. Na to. Ay, ito tayo. Mochi. Okay.
Wait lang. Mabili naman tayo.
Egg tart.
Ouch.
Mm.
They have so much. Masarap to. I look like I can eat right up. I like it. I like it. It looks fun. That's what I was looking for. You know what I got in 7-Eleven?
Ano?
Sabi ni Mark pala yun. I was looking for that tart. Kasi si Kuya Carlos, diba yesterday, like, ano din siya,
Meron
egg
din kami
tart.
kanina.
Tapos, alam mo yung nakuha ko? Lemon tart. Tastes kind of bad.
Kaya nga.
Ayun.
Alin yung tinapay?
Hindi, yun yung upuan. Mahulog yung tart. Libre yan. Hindi ka mo pera yan. Kuha ko lang pa.
Gusto mo pa? Oh, good. Hawakan mo. Let's try the other one. It's a puff pastry tart. Next one.
Is that water?
It's a puff pastry. Puff pastry ba ito? Sarap. 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 Ay, mas gusto ko yan. Matira sa akin.
Sorry guys, pasado pa. Parang mo na ito? Hey, there's still one more!
Okay, bumili?
Oreo.
Oreo what?
Pwede hati lang tayo, Alex.
Sige.
Kung kaya.
Ang bilhin nyo, ba't dito kayo mubo?
Wala nga eh, there's none.
Masarap to, oh. Bili ka na.
Ako inumin.
Ay, no? Special.
Ano doon?
Hindi na kami nakapunta. Napapagod na. Saan?